So, ipagpatuloy natin ang ating discussion sa lesson 5. So, lesson 5, rational functions, equation, and inequalities. So, learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, learner is able to distinguish rational functions, rational equations, and rational inequalities. So dito naman, i-identify naman natin kung ano ba yung rational functions, equation, and inequalities. So kung kanina nag-solve tayo ng rational functions, so alamin naman natin yung tatlong yan na nabanggit. So definition. So a rational expression is an expression that can be written as ratio of two polynomials. So kapag sinabing ratio, ito yung um, equivalent ng fraction. So meron tayong denominator, kaya siya ratio. Okay? Di ba kapag transfer natin ng fraction, kunwari ay 1/2. So kapag ni-ratio natin is 1 is to 2. Okay? So, 1, tapos gagamit tayo ng colon, tapos 2. So, yun yung ratio. So, pwede natin siyang i-transfer as a fraction. Parehas lang naman yung ratio and the fraction. It is a kind of ratio. Okay? So, ratio. So, ibig sabihin, may denominator tayo. So, sabi ko sa inyo, kasama pa rin si linear function dun sa ating rational function. Or dun sa about sa rational. Okay? Okay. So, paano natin malalaman kung ang isang given na mathematical expression at a rational expression? So, paano natin malalaman? So, masasabing rational expression ang isang mathematical expression kapag wala tong hindi tayo gumagamit ng dalawang variables, then hindi tayo gumagamit ng equal sign. So, wala siyang equal sign. So, ibig sabihin, it is a rational expression. So, example. So, example natin ay, so, yan. So, some example of rational expression are 2 over x, x squared plus 2x plus 3 over x plus 3, and 5 over x minus 3. So, ito yung mga, some example ng rational expression. So, yan. So, hindi nagli-limit dito ha sa example na binigay ko yung rational expression. Okay? So, alam na natin. So, kung makita nyo, wala siyang equal sign. Okay? So, next. Rational equation. So, an equation involving rational expression. So, nabanggit pa rin si rational expression. So, ibig sabihin, kapag equation naman ang tinatanong, gumagamit pa rin tayo ng isang variable sa expression. Okay? Then, gumagamit na tayo ng equal sign. So, sa equation, binubuo siya ng mga rational expression. Okay? So, yan. So, example, 2 over x minus 3 over 2 over x is equals to 1 over 5. So, it count as rational equation kasi may value na siya. Value na siyang number or gumagamit tayo ng isang variable then may equal sign. Okay? Isang variable ang ginagamit kapag rational equation. So, next. Rational inequalities. So, an inequality involving rational expression. So, example, 5 over x minus 3 less than or equal to 2 over x. So, kapag sinabi namang rational inequalities, gumagamit tayo ng mga inequality symbol like greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So, yun ang ginagamit kapag rational inequalities. So, next, rational function. So, it is a function of the form f of x is equals to p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial functions, and q of x is not the zero function, or q of x is not equal to 0. So, si rational function is, na-define na natin kanina, so binalikan lang natin. So, ganun pa din. So, si q of x is bawal maging 0, kasi magiging undefined yung function natin. So, example, f of x is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. So it is a rational function. So, yun pa rin. Okay? So, yan. Okay. So, example. So, identify natin kung siya ay rational expression, rational equation, rational function, or rational inequalities. So, kapag wala dun sa nabanggit, so, ibig sabihin, it is a not rational function. Rational function, hindi siya rational function, hindi siya rational equation, or rational inequalities, or rational expression. So, let's proceed. So number 1. So 2 plus x over x minus 1 is equals to 8. So what do you think it is? A rational function, rational equation, rational inequalities, or rational expression? Okay. So siya ay rational equation. So bakit? So i-analyze natin mabuti. So gumamit tayo ng iisang variable. Gumamit tayo ng equal sign. So, it is a rational equation. Tapos, yung ating numerator and denominator, it is a example of rational or polynomials. So, rational expression yung nasa taas at saka sa baba. So, si 8, it is a rational expression or polynomials. So, count as, kahit wala siyang denominator, so, di ba ang denominator ng 8 is 1. So, count as rational expression pa din siya. So, sabi ko, di ba, ang rational equation is composed of rational expression. So, kasi meron tayong equal sign. So, it count as equation. So, next. X is greater than or greater than the square root of x plus 2. So, it is a rational expression, rational inequalities, rational equation, or rational function. So, what do you think? Okay, it is not? Okay, it is not. So, wala dun sa nabanggit na pagpipilian. Bakit? So, unang-una, gumamit tayo ng square root. Okay? So, kung makikita natin, wala pa tayong value ng x. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng may square root, siya ay irrational. So, irrational, pag sinabing irrational, ito yung mga values, na hindi natin kaya siyang i-convert into fraction. Okay? So, kaya hindi siya belong sa ating rational function kasi may square root tayo. Oo, sabihin natin na nasa loob ng square root is a tawag dito, is a rational expression. But, gumamit tayo ng square root, it is not a rational equation, function, inequalities, or expression. Okay? But it is a kind of mathematical expression, but not a rational expression, equation, function, or inequalities. Okay? So, kaya siya. So, next. F of x is equals to 6 minus x plus 3 over x squared minus 5. So, ano kaya siya? Function ba siya? Rational function ba siya? Rational equation? Rational inequalities? Or rational expression? So, it is rational function. So, bakit? Kasi, gumamit tayo ng f of x. So, kapag may ganyan, f of x is equals to, so it is a function. Next, ang ating numerator is a polynomial or rational expression. Itong dalawang to. So, it count as rational pa din. So, pag samahin natin si function sa kasi rational, it is rational. And next, 2x is greater than or equal to 7 over x plus 4. So, what do you think? So siya ay rational inequalities. So, bakit? So, rational inequality or rational inequalities. So, pag madami, inequalities. So, dahil isa lang siya, rational inequality yung gagamitin natin. So, bakit siya inequality? Gumamit tayo ng inequality symbol. Then, yung ating numerator and denominator or the expression is a kind of rational expression or polynomials. Okay? So, di ba, gumagamit kapag rational inequalities ng symbol na greater than, less than, then greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So, yung ginagamit sa rational inequality. Okay? So, tandaan nyo to. So, gagamitin natin siya kapag nagsasolve na tayo ng rational inequality. Okay? So, next. X over 2 is equals to 4 over x plus 9x squared. So, what do you think? It is a rational equation, rational function, rational inequality, or rational expression. So, it is rational. Ano siya? Rational equation. So, the same pa rin dun sa number 1. Bakit? Kasi, ang ating numerator or denominator is a kind of rational expression or polynomials. So, kaya siya ay rational equation. Next, meron gumamit tayo ng equal sign. Tapos, gumamit lang tayo ng iisang variable. So, kaya siya count as rational equation. So, yan. So, ganun lang ka-ikli yung lesson 5. Okay? So, yan. So, summarize. So, si rational equation, it is an equation involving a rational expression. Rational function is a function of the form f of x is equals to p of x over q of x, where q of x is not equal to 0. Rational inequality, it is an inequality involving rational expression that use inequality symbols like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Next, rational expression. So, hindi ko nabanggit ito si rational expression, di ba? Pero, automatic na naman natin alam kung ano yung mga example ng rational expression. Kapag tinanggal natin to, ito. Okay, pag tinanggal natin to, it is a rational expression. So, balik lang natin. So, ito ay x over 2. Okay? So, pag sinabi rational expression, it is an expression that can be written as a ratio of two polynomials. Okay? So, yun yung lesson 5 about the rational function, equation, and inequalities. So, sa next lesson, pag-aaralan natin yung solving rational equation and inequalities. So, pag-iwalayin natin siya ng video para sa discussion, para alam natin yung sa rational equation, alam din natin yung sa rational inequalities. But, hindi tayo marito sa pagsasagot. Okay?